Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224110106 from Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about capital budgeting. Understanding capital. Capital so fixed asset used for production. A budget is a detailed plan that project cash inflow and cash outflow over several periods in the future. The capital budget is an outline of the fixed asset expenditure plan. Capital budgeting is the process of evaluating and selecting long-term investments that are consistent with maximizing company goals. The importance of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting decisions will have an impact over a long period of time so that the company loses its flexibility. Effective capital budgeting will increase the timelines and equality of additional asset. Capital expenditure is very important. Classification of investment proposal. Project or investment proposal can consist of various types, generally classified into three categories as follows. Replacement is an investment proposal involving asset replacement. This replacement can aim to maintain an existing business or to reduce costs or increase efficiency or replace old assets with new asset. Expansion is an investment proposal regarding business expansion, which can be in the form of increasing the amount of production or expanding the marketing area or adding new produce. Environmental security, safety, or environmental project is an investment proposal made in order to fulfill government regulation, labor regulation, or insurance policy. Because this expenditure is called non-revenue producing product. Criteria for proposing investment: payback period, PP. The payback period, so the time period obtained the recoup the money that has been invested with the result that will be obtained net cash flow from the investment. Discount payback period, DPP. To overcome one of the weakness of the payback period method, namely not paying attention to the time value of money or discount factor, the discount payback period method emerged. Net present value (NPV). In this method, we will use a discount factor. All expenditure and recap where the expenditure and recap are not at the same time must be compared with comparable values in terms of time. In this case, it means that we have to discount the expenditure and recap values into a comparable equal assessment. Profitability Index PI. Profitability Index PI, or also called benefit cost ratio, is a comparison between the present value of future net cash inflow and the initial cash outflow. Internal rate of return (IRR). IRR is a discount rate that equates the present value of cash inflow with the present value of cash outflow. Basic principle of the capital budgeting process. Capital budgeting is basically the application of the principle which say that a company must carry out production or carry out commercial activities in such a way that the marginal revenue of the product corresponds to the marginal cost. This principle in the capital budgeting framework means that the company must make additional investment so that the marginal return on investment corresponds to the cost. The list of different investment projects from high to low returns reflect the capital requirements for the company investment. The marginal cost of the various investment list provide an indication of the company effort to raise additional capital to finance the investment. The marginal cost of capital show a series of costs that company must bear to obtain external funds by borrowing or selling shares, and opportunity or opportunity cost that can be achieved from the available capital. Capital budgeting process. The capital budgeting process consists of 6 interrelated steps, namely as follows. 1. Basic research, project or investment implementation plans must be supported by data and information. From this reason, it necessary to conduct field studies or sector studies to obtain data or information in the preparation of project proposal. 2. Making proposal. Project or investment proposal are presented in corporate organization at levels to stimulate the flow of ideas. Many companies forecast price for suggestion. 3. Study and analysis. Big proposal for capital goods are formally reviewed to achieve the company main goals and plans, and most importantly, be assess their economic performance. The proposed cash and estimate benefit are converted into appropriate cash flow. Various capital budgeting techniques can be applied to cash flow to calculate the return on investment. Various aspects of risk are associated with the proposal to be assessed. Ensure the economic analysis is complete, thorough data and recommendation for decision maker and profit. For decision making, this space determines whether an investment is worthy or not. The very large amounts of fund or investment and the importance of the capital budgeting reflect the particular level of organization at which budget decisions are made. Companies typically delegate capital budgeting authority based on the amount of money spent. As a rule, the board of directors makes the final decision on the specific amount is issue capital. 5. Implementation. When a proposal is feasible or has been approved and funds are available, the implementation phase begins immediately. For small expense, budgets and payments are made immediately. However, close monitoring is required for largest budgets. 6. Follow-up. After implementation, monitoring is required during the operational phase of the project. A comparison between existing costs and expected profit from very previous project is very important. Except the state budget, immediate action is required to stop them, increase benefit, or disrupt the project. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.